Hello and welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day for the 6th of October 2020, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So as we head into a new week here, what do you need to be aware of? We are, of course, now approximately 1 month away from the US election. We're also now into the final quarter, and this is going to present some great back-to-back trading opportunities now in the lead up to the US election. We've already seen some very lucrative moves here since Friday, where Donald Trump contracted COVID-19. Subsequently, we saw those large sell-offs on global equity markets, on crude oil. Of course, this benefited gold, which got the safe haven bid. And then this week, we've seen a complete change in sentiment again, moving back to risk on. Oil prices have recovered. They've actually bounced back 5% to the upside, exactly what we actually discussed with you on the week ahead commodity report, where if Donald Trump was to recover fast, expect to bounce back in crude oil, look to target $40 per barrel. In fact, oil prices hit that in 1 day with a 5% breakout to the upside, over a $3 move yesterday for crude oil. Not only that, we've also seen breakouts at the beginning of the week with gold, with silver, and platinum, which has actually enabled us to benefit by locking in another 200 points on platinum here just today. Of course, each one lot traded on platinum equals $2,000, and each 10 lots traded on platinum with a 200-point profit is $20,000. So it's already been a nice start to the week here. The next major news item is going to be the minutes of the FOMC statement, which is scheduled for release later in the day on Wednesday at 7 p.m. UK time. And with that, we're going to be looking at future monetary policy guidance and what the overall long-term strategy is here from the Federal Reserve. We've seen since the weekend talks to fast-track the stimulus package, potentially now ahead of the US election. Of course, you want to watch out for this. If we were to see that get agreed ahead of the election, this is where you can expect massive moves on the precious metals. The dollar would subsequently sell off and can cause big breakouts here, particularly on gold and silver. You want to keep an eye on that headline news item. And of course, further narratives from the Federal Reserve regarding future monetary policy guidance as well, which we should get from Wednesday's minutes of the FOMC statement. Right now, we are seeing the dollar at the beginning of the week on the back foot slightly here. We've moved back into risk on. Stock markets rallied on Monday and Tuesday. We've also seen a significant bounce higher here for palladium, platinum, gold, silver, and also crude oil and natural gas. We have had Jerome Powell speak today, though, at 4 o'clock UK time, and subsequently we've seen that shift into a bit more of a risk-off environment. Traders are taking profit off the table with the metals here. We've seen a bit of a pullback across global equity markets, and the dollar is finding support right now around the 93.50 zone. So the name of the game right now is being very nimble. Be willing to take your profits off the table quickly when you see these significant breakouts in your direction fast, where you can then protect the trade, be regularly banking profits, and then this enables you to keep reloading and be able to take advantage of the swing trades that we're seeing a lot play out right now in the markets. It's very lucrative, this period between now and the US election. Historically, the lead up to the election provides back-to-back trading opportunities, and this is a period of time between now and certainly the US election and then into the end of the year, the final quarter, that you do not want to miss out. You've already seen this year gold breaking out to all-time highs. We've of course seen silver over the last quarter go up by over 50%. And we've seen some incredible moves even in the last week here. Oil up 5% in a single day. Natural gas, in fact, which we continue to remain long, went up 7% yesterday. We've still got 2 positions on palladium, which are currently up over 4,000 points. You do not want to miss out on the opportunities that we have right now in the commodity markets. And this is where utilizing a research-driven approach, trading the same way that the hedge funds, the money managers, the banks, the institutions are, having access to the same data, market intelligence, being aware of the cycles, intermarket correlations, key liquidity zones. This is going to help you be very precise with your levels from entry to exit, enabling you to be nimble and maximizing on the trading opportunities that we're going to have over this quarter. So of course, if you'd like to find out more, learn a research-driven approach to the market, join a community of successful traders, there is an opportunity for you to do so. All you need to do is click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to become a member of the Gold and Silver Club.